Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Google TV Streamer 4K device to old Google TV and convert to Google TV Android TV OS 14. See, this is a Google TV Streamer 4K device. So let me check the ports. This is a HDMI output port. Here we can connect HDMI cable from the TV. This is a LAN port. Here we can connect LAN cable from the modem or router, so we can access internet. And this is the USB Type-C power port. Here we can connect USB power cable from the power adapter. And this is the reset button. And this is the LED light. First let me connect this power cable. And here you can see the light. That means right now this device is booting. Next I am going to connect HDMI cable. Other end of this HDMI cable we need to connect to TV. First let me connect this end to this HDMI output port. Okay, done. Let me connect other end of HDMI cable to TV. Okay, done. We need to press and hold back button and home button, these two buttons together to pair the remote. See, after that I can see content from this Google TV Streamer 4K device in this TV. Let me check the Android TV OS version. Go to settings, go to system, go to about, go down. Here you can see Android TV OS version 14. See, this way we can upgrade old Google TV to Google TV Android TV OS 14. Okay, please try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.